Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can buy Bitcoin with your USDT on your Binance app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Binance app. Then you will land on this home page. After that you have to click on trades to buy the USDT. Make sure you have the USDT on your spot wallet to buy the Bitcoin. So after you have transferred your USDT on your spot wallet, you have to click on trades. Then you have to click on this coin's name. After that, you have to click on search. Then you will find out that BTC. You have to type this BTC USDT. Okay, just like this BTC slash USDT. Make sure you have select this one. Then you total deposited USDT will shown here, they will display it here. Then you have to put the number that how much USDT, how much Bitcoin you want to buy. You can pretty much select here and click on 1 BTC. Then 1 BTC will cost you from by today 59,326 USDT. So if you wanna buy a USDT currency just like this 100 USDT, you will get 0.00168 BTC. So this is how we can buy the Bitcoin via USDT. So after doing your math, you have to click on buy BTC, and then the Bitcoin will be buy on your spot wallet. So this is how you can buy Bitcoin on your USDT, by USDT on your Binance wallet. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.